Let's look into this question, which says a force of 500 Newton is represented graphically with its tail at the origin and the tip pointed in a direction 30 degrees above the positive x-axis. So this also you should be familiar with. So we have all the four quadrants. So you have positive x-axis to be here. This is y. This will be negative x and negative y, right? So keeping this in mind, it says 500 Newton is represented graphically with the tail at the origin. So this is the origin, right? So we have the tail there. So if I redraw by using that dot, it's in the first quadrant here, which makes an angle of 30 degrees with a positive. So it's on the side. All right. If the question says pointed in a direction 30 degrees from the negative x-axis, then it should come here, right? It'll be somewhere here. All right. Now, what is the question? Is about x component and y component should be found. Actually, these are the answers, fx and fy. You should get this. So let's see how to do that. So for components, fx, the formula is f cos theta, right? So we have the angle here 30 degrees. This is the adjacent side. So applying trigonometry, you will get f cos theta here, and the vertical, the y, you get f sine theta, right? So using this formula, fx equals f times cos theta. Now here f is 500 Newton, 500 times cos 30. So if you plug this in your calculator, you will get 433 Newton. So similarly, Fy will be equal to F times sine theta, which is 500 times sine 30, you get 250 Newtons. It's a very simple or straightforward question where you're just splitting the resultant, the 500 Newton force at an angle of 30 degrees to its components, Fx and Fy. So remember this point, 30 degrees, the side that is touching, that's perpendicular vectors we are taking. So these two are, this is y, this is x. So here x component is cos, y component is sine. I hope that's clear.